Throughout the semester, we have gotten the opportunity to learn about so many different technological resources. With the Scratch project, we had the opportunity to learn a little bit about coding and ways we can use coding in the classroom. We can use it to make a unique and interactive lesson for students, or we can use the program to have students learn a little bit about coding. With the Camtasia and Nearpod project, we learned about two very useful resources. With Camtasia, we learned how to use this video editing software to edit together a lesson that can be played for a class. With Nearpod, we used our Camtasia video and other things on the Nearpod website, such as the quiz and drawing features, to make a whole lesson for our students. I'm excited to use both of these programs in my future classroom, especially Nearpod because it provides a new and interesting way to teach a lesson from start to finish. With the Google Sites project, we were able to think through what we would want to have on our future website as a teacher and actually create it. I really enjoyed how easy it was to create a website through Google Sites, and I'm excited to make my teacher website through Google Sites in the future. The day that we learned about emerging technologies was very interesting and engaging as a learner and a future educator. I can see both the mini robots and the AR technology being very prominent in future classrooms. The mini robots were programmable and you could have them follow any kind of line and do a little bit of coding to get it to do certain things. With the AR technology, you can scan a pre-inputted picture and then it comes to life, whether it's in its original colors or if a student had colored something in. With the Whiteboard project as a group, we had the opportunity to learn how to use it and teach a lesson to our class. The Whiteboard would be something very engaging for students because it would give a different look to a normal lesson. If I had access to a Whiteboard in my future classroom, I would experiment with what I could do with it. An app that I learned about from the textbook is Class Dojo. With this app, you have the ability to create a connection between the parents, teachers, and students. Teachers are able to post pictures and/or announcements to the app so that parents can see what is happening in the classroom. This app also has many great in-classroom features such as a timer and random group generator. The idea of student blogging is something I learned about in the textbook. This idea is very interesting and is something that has been shown to help students learn while creating a community of learners in which students can comment on other students' posts. The idea of the flipped classroom is also something that I learned about in the textbook. The flipped classroom is when teachers prepare lessons that students can watch at home, and then students can do activities and assignments in class and they can ask teachers questions about the material. This is something that I can see being very prominent in coming years with the growing abilities of technology. Another thing that I enjoyed learning about from the textbook were the different types of assessments available in the digital age. Assessments taking place on the internet can have benefits such as being able to be graded faster and eliminates cheating because questions are randomized and can be pulled from a test bank in which no student has the same assessment if needed. Learning about the different types of assistive technology for special needs students was enjoyable. Over time, as we improve our technology, we are able to help these students more and more so that they can have more success with their education and life.